Next, we will introduce the fractal and order block function. Fractal point mainly provide users with the function of displaying zigzag line and fractal point, and can set time period for zigzag and fractal separately. Fractal point is a program that uses algorithms to find the high and low point of price fluctuations for a given period, and then marks them with a dot. Usually, there are limit orders and stop loss orders near the previous high and low point, which are also known as liquidity and are the focus of many traders. Zigzag connects this high and low point, giving traders a clearer perspective on price fluctuations and avoiding start from smaller cycle fluctuations. The first setting item used to turn on and off the display of zigzag. The second setting item is to turn on and off the display of factor points. And the third setting item is to specify the period for calculating high and low point for the program, which is the number of candles required to confirm high and low point. The default is 4. If it is changed to 6, and the time frame of the current chart is daily, it means that the program will identify the high and low point on the 1 week fluctuation cycle view. The following are the display format settings for zigzag and fractal points. Let's take a look at the effect. Let's turn off the order block first. There. Let's introduce the order block. Before introducing order block setting, we need to briefly introduce the order flow strategy to everyone. I recommend reading the SMC article I shared on the indicator page, which includes an introduction to the order flow strategy. At the beginning of the article, it was stated that the order flow trading strategy seems to be the opposite of the trend following strategy. Trend traders are keen on trading breakout, presuming that the trend will continue and believing that they can sell at an even higher price. The order flow strategy, price breakout or structure breakthrough are only used to assist in estimating the direction, while the entry position requires waiting for the price to return to the wholesale price, which is near the order block, and waiting for the price to rise, selling under the retail price, which is near previous high or breaks through the previous high. Now the block refers to the last bearish candlestick for a strong upward breakout of a structure, or the last bullish candlestick before a significant downward breakout of a structure in any time period. That is to say, whenever there is an effective breakout of a structure, other block will be formed. A bullish structure breakout will form a bullish other block, and a bearish structure breakout will form a bearish other block. Let's take a look at this picture. Bullish order block. The bearish candle before the bullish movement, that EMS higher. Price breakout. Bearish candlestick. Bearish order block. Price breakout. Bullish candlestick. What's the process and the effects of the order block? Please read the article carefully. Its main principle is to analyze the trade method of the large institutions, find trade traces of the large institutions, and order block is the cast error of the institutions. Therefore, we have the best winning rate in the cast error of the large institutions. Let's take a look at this picture. In the order flow strategy, the judgment of price trend is important. So traders judge the price direction in their own large time frame or directional time frame, and trade in their own small time frame or trading time frame. Multi-time frame analysis is very important in SMC trading, and you need at least two time frame, one directional time frame and one trading time frame. Many people ask me what is the best time frame choice, but there is actually no correct answer. If you use a 5-minute chart as the trading time frame, then I think your directional time frame should be at least 1 hour or 4 hours. If you use a 15-minute chart as the trading time frame, then I think your directional time frame should be at least 4 hours or more. This is a combination that I personally think is more reasonable.